Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to block someone on PayPal. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to paypal.com or of course go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the PayPal application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to PayPal if you already do not have an account on it. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the home screen, we have the send, wallet, activity, and help options. We also have the send and request options and a lot of other options underneath. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and block someone on PayPal. It is pretty simple guys, you just need to go and follow these few steps. First of all, you'll need to go on the send tab. So we have the home tab, send, wallet, activity, and help. You need to go and click on the send app. When you're there, you'll have the send, request, contacts, and more. What you need to do guys is go and click on contacts. And here you'll have all of your contacts. Of course, you can go and search for them here. You can go on, of course, and add them to your PayPal account or block them, of course, or of course, delete them. Here you can see view your blocked list. So you can see who you blocked. I didn't block anybody. That is why this page is empty. But be sure when you block somebody on PayPal, guys, they will be in your view blocked contacts here. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.